one simple reason. 12 months ago when we were standing here, we were talking to you all about the promise of 5G. What has changed? We are here today and we can actually talk about 5G being a reality. In 2019, we were able to launch 5G, true mobile 5G, in 9 cities across the United States. That's Atlanta, Chicago, Houston, Phoenix, New York City, Los Angeles, Washington, D.C., and our hometown, Sprint's hometown of Kansas City. Our 5G network covers over 16 million people, over a 2,100 square miles. So it really makes us proud to talk about the fact that it has actually happened. It's not the promise of 5G, it's here to stay. But don't only hear it from us. What makes us, even more proud is to talk about the external recognition. Just this week, there was an analysis that was published by Ookla Speed Intelligence, and they do the test on to analyze the download speed of 5G networks across the country. And for Sprint, our download speed is 199 megabit per second, which is 5 times higher than what we had on 4G LTE. More importantly, our national download speed is over 46%, has seen an over 46% improvement year over year, which is a bigger jump than AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. So that makes us really proud. But it's not just about 5G. What makes us really unique is the complementary strength of our 5G network along with our IoT Curiosity platform. And some of the projects that we were able to deploy in this past year really show the combined benefits of 5G and our IoT network together. 5G, it's not just about the network, it's about all the innovators, it's about the digital disruptors, it's about the software developers, and this is the environment that we have created working along our IoT organization, Ivo's organization, to be able to deploy those projects. So without further ado, I'm going to pass it on to Ivo, who can talk about some of the amazing things that we have done in the IoT space and also relative to our product portfolio.
Thank you, Miska. And contrary to what Jan thinks and Miska is saying, I'm actually just as proud of certainty as I am of capability, because I not only do IoT, I also do all the other products. And it is actually very important for everyone. When you're walking around in the show, the only thing that we always see is that change is the only thing that's permanent. And the first and foremost thing that our business customers need in a world of change is certainty. And our wireline proposition and network covering more than 150 countries is that certainty. It is a uniquely designed network, and it's got 3 major drops of new features and products that we'll be having in the next few months. The first thing that you need to realize is that we are going to come off TDM 100%, and we will be probably one of the first operators in the world that runs its entire wireline in a non-TDM space. We will also launch in the next few months our carrier Ethernet portfolio. We will also completely overhaul our SIP portfolio so that we do have that coverage in the wireline world that you need to have that certainty. And what you'll start to see in the development as we move forward is a common thread in everything that we produce. We also build a wholesale version because we are the friendly operator to the other operators, to the MVNOs. So everything we build will also be productized for wholesale to sell it alongside us. Capability. The most important capability for customers is to engage with their customers. Here too, there's multiple things that we're doing. The first big announcement that we have, and we were very proud of, is that a very smart way to engage with customers as you're an SMB is actually making sure that you pick up the phone. And as obvious as that may sound, is do you know that actually 65% in SMB phone calls inbound go unanswered? Do you then also realize that 50% of those unanswered calls, actually the next call of their customer will then be to their competitor? So we came up with the smart messaging solution that actually answers that unanswered call and responds back in an important way, because it's a smart way driven by AI, and it helps the owner of the business run their business better. That is AI infusion in our portfolio, and we received the award, very promised and very proud of that, of course, from Frost & Sullivan for that portfolio item. Another thing that we've done, it's over there with UMA. The UMA Omni is a PBX in the cloud that helps our customers to actually bring the voice, but also unified comms into the cloud. And when you look at that, now it is connected still to a wireline, but if you put an antenna, you attach it to the window, you can actually cut that line and make it fully mobile. And then when you think about all the things that we do, we can attach our security solutions on it, and we bring our customers together with our partners and make them work together, and we will expand on the UMA proposition as well. And then, as I said, we also develop our wholesale portfolio. I think it is the biggest compliment when your wholesale partner, Orbeck in this case, calls their product your +1. We have an SML product that they then turn, and they're doing really well. Actually, they sell more of it sometimes than we do, which is interesting, but that's how it's supposed to be. Is the SML is now through Orbeck available as the +1 product, and that's how we enable our friends of wholesale to grow as fast as we do. And then in the end, yes, curiosity. You need to look forward. Everybody needs to look forward. You need to be curious about the portfolio. You need to be curious about the future. So there also, we're continuing to invest. I am very humbled and very pleased to see that the analysts have picked up on our story. We've received a lot of recognition. IDC put us now at par level in capability together with AT&T and Verizon. Gartner has realized that we have actually have the vision, and they've actually put us as the leaders of the vision, and now we need to move up on execution, and that's the focus of Curiosity at the moment. Execute, execute, execute. We're going to do 3 things. Number 1 is Curiosity is going to go international. So we've announced our first partnership with Telstra, where actually in Australia Curiosity will be available, and everything Telstra does in the USA will be on us. And this is the first of a series of announcements with really big tier 1 operators across the world. More to come in a month from now on Mobile World Congress. What we will also do is we'll continue to disrupt. And we're very proud of our partnership together with Wirecard. We've announced that too, is because if we use one thing that we're sure about, is that payments are going to change just the way everything changes at this moment. Think to things payment, we're going to make it possible together with our partners from Wirecard. There's so much more to come, but there's only one thing that really matters, and that is that our customers continue to buy from us. And the only one that actually makes that happen is Kim.
Thank you, Ivo.